In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Keep with custom headers in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to organize your notes more aesthetically or simply want to add a personal touch, customizing headers can make a big difference. Let's dive into it. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google Apps. Look for the Slides application and click on it. This is where we'll create our custom header image. Once you've entered Google Slides, select the option to start a new blank presentation. Don't worry about adding too many slides or content here, as we're crafting a visual element for Google Keep. Next, navigate to the Insert menu at the top of the Slides interface. From the drop-down menu, choose Word Art. This feature will allow you to create a visually engaging header for your notes. Type in the title of your note. This should be something concise yet descriptive of what the note is about. Once you've done that, you can further personalize the appearance by clicking on your text. Feel free to play around with the color, font and size to match your style preferences. After you're satisfied with the text customization, return to the Insert menu. This time you'll want to add an image to complement your text. Click on Image and opt for Search the Web. Here you have the liberty to type in keywords for an icon or image that captures the essence of your note. Whether it's a productivity symbol, a cute doodle or something thematic, find the perfect image and then click Insert to place it into your slide. Once your text and image are arranged to your liking, go to the File menu, select Download and choose PNG image. This will save your slide as an image file, which is perfect for uploading to Google Keep as a custom header. Now that your image is downloaded, open Google Keep, locate the option to take a note and proceed to create a new one. In the note interface, find the option to add image. Upload the PNG file you just created in Google Slides. You'll see your customized header seamlessly integrated at the top of your note, adding both functionality and flair. Finally, you can further enhance your note by changing the background color to complement your header. Once everything is set up the way you like, click on Close to save your new note with its stylish custom header. And there you have it, a personalized Google Keep note that's uniquely yours. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to organize your notes creatively. Don't forget to experiment with different styles and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching.